Hi, let's continue our discussion and let's go to division of polynomials. So for division of polynomials, we will consider two cases. First case is we're going to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Okay. And the second case will be dividing a polynomial by a binomial. So first, we will consider the first case. So how do we divide a polynomial by a monomial? It means, okay, the divisor is of only one term, monomial. So let's use this property. So if we have a plus b as our numerator over c, this is just equal to a over c plus b over c. So pwede na mabahin, no? Si AC o kani si BC. And then add. Alright? So, wala problema kung minus ni siya. So, same gap po, no? A, B over C. This is the same as A over C minus B over C. And it's also okay na daghan ni siya. Okay, let's say A plus B plus C plus D over, let's say, E. This is just, okay, similar. Okay. So now we have number 1. This expression divided by 3x. This is a monomial. So 3x raised to 4. Okay. We will apply this rule. So this becomes... So again, this is just the same as 3x raised to 4 minus 24x raised to 3 plus 21x raised to 2. Okay, this is just the same as this one divided by 3x. Okay, you can rewrite this one as this. So applying the rule above, we have 3x raised to 4 over 3x minus just simplify. So of course it's clear, 3 over 3, so that's 1. Alright, so in other words, you can just cancel this out. And then ang mabilin kay kinina part, no? So applying the laws of exponent, diba? Pagpareha ang base. Okay, just copy the common base and subtract. Alright, subtract the exponent. So 4 minus 1, so that is 3. Minus 24 divided by 3, that is 8x raised to 2. Okay, 1 man siya, diba? So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus 21 over 3, that is 7x minus 39 over 3, that is 13. Then, again, pag parehan ni siya x of x, you can just cancel this out. So, wala na ta dire. So, ang answer kay kini. So, di naman ma-simplify ba? Okay. So, that is our answer for number 1. Okay? So, dali lang, no? Basta monomial ang divisor. Sa mga monomial, dali ra kayo. Pareha ra po sa number 2. Okay. So for this, pwede to diretsohon na lang, no? Like, di na ta siguro maging ani. So ato na lang diretsohon. So nauna na to. So 5y 5y raised to 5 divided by 5y. So that is 5 divided by 5, 1. So mabilin kay y. So y5, y4 na lang. y4 negative 15 divided by 5. So that is 3, negative 3. Then y raised to 3. Okay, 1 man eh, diba? Pag nag-divide ka, mag-subtract ka. 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 25 divided by 5, so positive 5y. So, di naman ma-simplify, no? So, I think this is our answer. Okay, so simple lang, no? Basta monomial by a, polynomial divided by a. Polynomial divided by a monomial. So, dali lang siya, no? Okay. So, for the second part of the video, we will, the fifth part of this video, we will consider the second case wherein ang divisor nato kay binomial na, dili na monomial, no? So, binomial. So, napuntay paagi ana, no, to divide. So, please stay tuned for the fifth and final part of this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.